Radio story. Before you speak your mind, watch out who you're telling it to. You think everything's fine, watch out who you're whistling to. And if everything's falling apart, watch out who you're trying to. And if you're feeling older, watch out who you're clinging to. 'Cause I've been alone for a while, and I wouldn't trust anyone. Late in the night, it's always quiet. There's a song in your head, you can't get no rest. And when you are in bed, watch out who you give your dreams to. There's nagging sense of dread, I can't tell you what to do. I walk, I sing, I cry, I stay indoors, I pass the time. If you find someone to leave, hold on no matter what you do. 'Cause I've been alone for a long, and I wouldn't trust anyone.